In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit product prices in Shopify. If you're running an online store, it's important to keep your product prices updated, whether you're having a sale or adjusting for cost changes. So, let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, where you'll see various options on the left panel. It's pretty intuitive, but go ahead and click on Products. This will show you a comprehensive list of all the products you've uploaded to your store, neatly laid out for your ease of access. Take a moment to scroll through if you like, but once you're ready, focus on selecting the specific products you need to update. Go ahead and click on the checkboxes next to each of these products. This selection process lets you decide which products will be included in the bulk edit. It's a simple yet effective method for tackling large updates without the fuss. With your products selected, draw your attention to the top of the list where you'll see the option for bulk edit. Clicking this will transport you straight into the bulk editor. Now, this is your main stage. The entire process revolves around this powerful tool, which opens up a familiar spreadsheet-like interface. Right here, you can see all your chosen products lined up, each with various properties neatly arranged in columns, ready for editing. Now, the next step is crucial. If you don't immediately see the price column, please don't worry. Shopify provides a quick fix for this. Simply look to the top right corner of your interface to locate and click on Columns. This allows you to customize the view by enabling or disabling certain fields. Go ahead and make sure the price column is enabled here. The moment you do, that column will appear right in front of you, like magic. At this point, with the price column visible, you can effortlessly click directly onto the price of any product you wish to edit. This is where the real action begins. Enter your new values directly into each cell as needed. And if you're trying to apply the same price change across a number of products, Shopify has made it even easier with the drag down feature. Just drag down the small blue square that appears at the bottom right of a cell to instantly fill and apply the same price to multiple rows. And just like that, you've successfully performed a bulk edit of your product prices in Shopify. With these changes now saved, your store is up to date with your latest pricing strategy. Whether you're trying to boost sales with discounts or maintain your margins, adjusting prices in bulk can save you time and keep your store running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!